Washington, D.C. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi has officially ordered the convening of a federal grand jury to investigate the origins of the Trump-Russia probe, escalating an inquiry that could target former senior intelligence and Obama administration officials. The move follows a referral from Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard, who has accused former intelligence officials of improperly weaponizing government agencies to suggest a false connection between then-candidate Donald Trump and the Russian government during the 2016 presidential election. The grand jury, based in Washington, D.C., will have the authority to subpoena documents and witnesses, hear sworn testimony behind closed doors, or recommend indictments if sufficient evidence of criminal conduct is found. Though no individuals have been publicly named, the investigation is expected to scrutinize actions taken by former CIA Director John Brennan, former FBI Director James Comey, and former Director of National Intelligence James Clapper, among others. The original Trump-Russia investigation, launched by the FBI and later led by Special Counsel Robert Mueller, concluded in 2019 that Russia interfered in the 2016 election, but did not find evidence that the Trump campaign conspired with Russian actors. However, it did result in multiple indictments of Trump associates on unrelated charges. In 2023, Special Counsel John Durham released a report criticizing the FBI's handling of the probe, describing it as biased and flawed, but it stopped short of recommending criminal charges. Attorney General Bondi's new order marks a dramatic shift, reopening the case not to target Trump, but to investigate whether the probe itself was a politically motivated abuse of power. Trump allies have hailed the move as long overdue. "It's time to hold people accountable for the greatest political hoax in American history," said House Judiciary Chair Jim Jordan. Meanwhile, critics see the action as politically motivated. "This is about retribution, not justice," said former DOJ official Mary McCord, warning that the Justice Department risks becoming a political weapon under Trump's second administration. Legal analysts caution that proving criminal wrongdoing will be difficult, especially since earlier reviews, including the Mueller and Durham reports, did not uncover clear evidence of criminal intent. "There's a high bar to proving that senior intelligence officials knowingly falsified or manipulated evidence," said legal scholar Lawrence Tribe. But even if no indictments come down, the political impact could be profound. Testimony from current and former officials could begin in the coming weeks. The grand jury's term could extend into 2026, depending on the complexity of the probe. A final report or indictments could be issued at the conclusion of the proceedings, though that timeline remains uncertain. The latest move by Attorney General Bondi has reignited fierce debate over the politicization of law enforcement in Washington. Whether it results in indictments or not, the grand jury probe into the Trump-Russia investigation's origins is likely to be one of the most politically explosive legal undertakings of this administration.